Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. In this video, I am going to say the important topic for each and everyone. I know every one of you waiting for this video, and I know every one of you and eager to get the clarification on this topic. So, what is migration certificate? So basically, the migration certificate is a certificate which will be issued after your completion of the any course. Like you completed your 12th grade, right? So you will be getting a migration certificate from the board which you studied or completed your 12th grade. So you will be having a one more question, that why is it necessary? So as you are like some people like from AP or Telangana going to some other NITs or IITs or triple IITs from in other state. So like let it be Maharashtra, Nagpur, or NIT Rourkela, NIT Surathkal, or an SVNIT Surat. So any of these, like NIT Patna, for IIT Mandi, IIT Bombay. So like this, outside of your state. So when you are going to pursue your higher studies in outside your state or outside your country, so this migration certificate is necessary to be taken from the board which you have completed your 12th grade. So this migration certificate is compulsory to be taken from the board which you have completed that course. So is it important? So in my point of view, it is important. So but some NITs may ask for it, some NITs may not ask for it, some IITs may ask for it, some IITs may not ask for it, some triple IITs may ask for it, so some triple IITs may not ask for it. So why to create problems in the last minute? So better you can apply your migration certificate from your board now itself, so that it will be available to you within 3 days of your application. So if you apply today, no, from now, so after next 3 days you will be able to download it from the net, or else if you or else you will also be getting that to through your post also. So I will show you how to apply for both TS and AP students, how to apply migration certificate. So in this video I will be showing you that, so stay tuned. So go to Chrome, so search TS migration certificate. So it is already there, so search. So click the first link which you get. So after going here, you can see and you can give your intermediate hall ticket number. I am giving mine, asking your mobile number. So enter it. So it is also asking the purpose of your applying for the migration certificate. So like getting admission in NIT or like that, you mention anything. So if you see it here, fee in rupees is 300 rupees only. You need to pay 300 rupees for getting the migration certificate. So submit and pay. So you are applying for migration certificate. Please ensure that above provided mobile number is valid for further correspondence. Okay. So the mobile number which you give should be the proper one. So you can pay here and confirm your migration certificate, and within 3 days it will be available in this portal only. Once your payment is done, so you will be getting a credentials. So with that, now you can log into that TSBIE. So you can say, I will show this, show here TSBIE migration. Like, so go here, know your application status. Here it is there. So know your application status. So if you enter the acknowledgement number, no, the number which you got to you, if you enter here, no, get status. So the status of that will be shown here. So in that way, you for TS people, you can apply for the migration certificate. So now coming to the, for AP students, search AP migration certificate apply. So click welcome. So go to home and click the students here, and you can see here migration certificate, right? Enter here migration certificate. So enter your hall ticket number, date of birth, email ID, get data. So applicants, please check all the details before entering, before proceeding to the fee payment. The fee once paid cannot be refunded. So after entering your hall ticket number, date of birth, email ID, so press the get data. After that, you need to give the purpose and the phone number, which is phone number should be the valid one. So you need to pay 500 here. For TS and TS people know it is a 300 for migration certificate. For AP it is 500 for migration certificate. So if you pay the fee, no, you will also get the acknowledgement number. So after getting the acknowledgement number, so search again AP migration certificate apply. So then you go here. So if you press the welcome, no, so here you see enter acknowledgement number. So the number which you got after paying the 500 for AP migration certificate. So you enter the acknowledgement number and get the status. You can see the status of it. So both these links for the migration certificate will be in the description. So please go and check. And I hope both the AP and TS students and my friends got clear cut idea on how to apply migration certificate according to your board respectively. So I'll be giving the links in the description for the applying your migration certificate. Thank you one and all.